Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Math Tips by Shweta. This is the video I'm making. This is the introduction video for class 7th and 8th. This is the common video, introduction video for class 7th and 8th, class 7 chapter 12 algebraic expression and class 8 chapter 9 algebraic expressions and identities. This is part 1. This is for both the classes. Okay, so before we start, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks. Okay, we will start now. First, before we start for algebraic expression, we need to know about variables and constants. See, what are variables? Okay, so variables are the letters. The letters we are using X, Y, Z, L, M and so on. Okay, these are letters which are not having fixed value. Not fixed value. ठीक है, जिनकी वैल्यू फिक्स नहीं होती उन्हें क्या कहते हैं? वेरिएबल्स. ठीक है, दीज आर द वेरिएबल्स. एंड नाउ वी विल कम टू कांस्टेंट. कांस्टेंट्स आर द हैविंग फिक्स्ड वैल्यूज. हैविंग फिक्स्ड वैल्यूज. Fixed values mean supposing you are having 4, 7, 100, 79, etc. Right? These are fixed. Means you can't change the value of 4, you can't change the value of 7, 100, 79, so on. Right? So now we will come to algebraic expression. What is algebraic expressions? When we combine variables and constants. Okay? When we combine variables and constants by using the operations. It is a combination of variables and constants. Okay, with the help of क्या कौन से यूज करने? विद द साइंस. कौन से साइंस यूज करने? यूज ऑफ विद द यूज ऑफ एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन and division with the 4 sign. Supposing I will take x from here and 4 from here, right? Look at here. I make this is your expression. Okay, if I can write like this, 2x square plus 8. This is also an expression. Okay, means this x is a variable and 4 is a constant and we added it. Okay, suppose I'm taking 2y by 9. Okay, I divided. So we can use all these 4 expressions to make the expression, algebraic expression. Now terms of an expression. What are the terms of an expression? Okay, so now terms of an expression. We are taking some example. Supposing I take 5y plus 7. It means there are having 2 terms, right? So 2 terms means first of all हमने इस expression को बनाया 5y को. मतलब 5 is multiplied by y or 5 times y. Okay, and 7 is added to it and 7 is added to it. ठीक है, तो means this is your expression and terms are 5y and next term is 7. If it is negative sign, supposing 5x plus 9. Okay, so it means this term now minus 5x and this other term is plus 9. मतलब with the signs. Okay, and at sign of addition and subtraction will separate the terms. You can separate the terms with the sign of addition and subtraction. Okay. Now we will come to factors of a. For that we will take some examples. Supposing I am taking 3y square minus 2xy. Okay. Okay. This is your expression. Okay. Now you have to find the factors of this. Factors means the separate terms. Supposing first of all we have to separate the terms. So what is it? What are the terms? 3y square and the next term is minus 2xy. So you have to separate it like this so that you can't break it to the next. इसको आप आगे break नहीं कर सकें. मतलब इसको आगे हम can't factor. ठीक है, हम इसको आगे factorize ना कर सकें. तो 3y. So I have written for you. So this is minus 2xy. You can't factorize it again. ठीक है, अब 3 का आगे कोई फैक्टर नहीं होता है, ना ही y का होता है, ना ही -2 का, ना xy का. So this is the factors of a term. Okay, now we will come to coefficients. For coefficients I am going to take some examples. Supposing I am taking -8 x square z square. Okay, for the coefficient, right? So what is the coefficient? Coefficient is a numerical coefficient. you can write simply, you can say it is a numerical coefficient of the term. Okay, numerical means the number. So minus 8 is the numerical coefficient. What is it? Minus 8 is the numerical coefficient, okay, of the term. Okay, now it means it is a numerical factor or the algebraic factor or the product of two or more factors. What is the meaning of this? Supposing you have to write the coefficient of z square. Supposing I am taking the same number, same term, supposing you have to write the factor of coefficient of z square. So see, means algebraic factor, okay, algebraic factor of this z square. मतलब इसका कोफिशिएंट देखना है, मतलब जेड स्क्वायर को आप क्या करेंगे, छुपा देंगे. जिसका भी कोफिशिएंट निकालना है उसको हम छुपा देंगे, तो वो क्या आ जाएगा आपका माइनस 8x स्क्वायर. इट मीन जेड स्क्वायर का कोफिशिएंट क्या हुआ, माइनस 8x स्क्वायर. अगर हमें निकालना हो कि एक्स स्क्वायर का, तो एक्स स्क्वायर को छुपा देंगे, माइनस 8 जेड स्क्वायर. ओके, सो कोफिशिएंट ऑफ जेड स्क्वायर इज minus 8x square with the sign. Don't forget to write the sign. If it is negative, it is important to write. If it is plus sign, then there is no need to write. Okay. Now next is like and unlike terms. Like and unlike terms means like terms are the terms having same algebraic factor. Same algebraic factor. Having the same algebraic factor. I'm just taking some examples. Supposing we are having two expression 2xy plus 7. And we are having other terms plus 4xy minus 8, okay, minus supposing here there is no comma, minus z square, right, and plus 8xy. So see, these terms, these three terms having same algebraic factor. Okay, what are these terms? xy is the जिसका वेरिएबल सेम हो जाए, एक्स वाई एल्जेब्रिक फैक्टर है, इसका सेम है, तो 2xy, 4xy एंड प्लस 8xy, ऑल दीज आर लाइक टर्म्स. ओके, दिस 7, दिस minus 8, 7 and minus 8 is also like terms. ठीक है, these are the constant terms, so these are like terms. Okay, so it means having same variable, or you can say same algebraic factor. Okay, is it clear now? So now next is monomial, binomials and trinomials. Monomial means single term, one term. ठीक है, so expression having only one term. I am writing here 4xy. This is having one term. Okay, expression having one term is known as monomial. Supposing I am writing the same, I am just taking plus 2. It having two terms. ठीक है, two unlike terms. If you will take like terms, it will be added. I will let you know in the next part. ठीक है, तो हमने two unlike terms लेनी है, तो वो binomial हो जाएगा. Trinomial के लिए क्या लेना है? You have to take supposing 8y plus 8y square, 7y plus 6. Now it is having three terms, three unlike terms. ठीक है, here also you have to write two unlike terms. Okay, so means if there are three unlike terms, then it is trinomial. Two unlike terms, then it is binomial. If one term is there, then it's a monomial. Now we will come to addition and subtraction of algebraic expression. Now addition and subtraction. I am just taking some example, then I will make you clear. Supposing I am taking an expression, supposing like this 7xy minus 8xy. Okay, see, एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन किसकी होगी? व्हेन दे आर हैविंग लाइक टर्म्स. देखो ये लाइक टर्म्स है. कैसे लाइक टर्म्स है? मतलब ये चीज सेम है दोनों की, एल्जेब्रिक फैक्टर, और यू कैन से कि दोनों का वेरिएबल्स जो है वो सेम है, दोनों के वेरिएबल सेम है, तो ये लाइक टर्म्स होगी. अब लाइक टर्म्स को हम ऐड और सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, अब यहाँ पे क्या 7 माइनस 8. अब इसमें इंटीजर्स का ही रूल यूज होना है. 7 माइनस 8 दोनों का ऑपोजिट साइन है, एक प्लस है एक माइनस है, तो 8 माइनस 7 इज 1. ग्रेटर नंबर क्या है? 8, तो ग्रेटर नंबर का साइन. एंड व्हाट इज द वेरिएबल? xy. ठीक है, सो इस जो हम एल्जेब्रिक में माइनस जो 1 होता है ना, 1 को नहीं लिखते, वी सिंपली राइट माइनस xy. यू कैन राइट लाइक दिस ऑल्सो, यू कैन राइट लाइक दिस ऑल्सो. ठीक है, अब एक और एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. सपोजिंग इट इज 7x स्क्वायर माइनस 8x स्क्वायर y. You can't add, ठीक है, cannot be added or subtracted. कैसे, क्यों नहीं ऐड हो सकता, सब्ट्रैक्ट हो सकता? ये क्या थी, लाइक टर्म्स थी, लाइक टर्म्स, और ये क्या है हमारे पास, अनलाइक टर्म्स. कैसे चेक करें? व्हाट इज द पावर ऑफ एक्स हियर? एक्स देखो क्या है, मैं आपको सेपरेट कलर से बताती हूँ. ये देखिए एक्स का क्या है पावर, इसमें रेड से यूज करते हैं. एक्स की पावर क्या है, 1 है. यहाँ पे क्या है, एक्स की पावर 2. ठीक है, तो सेम नहीं हुआ, मतलब क्या हुआ, इसका जो है वेरिएबल सेम नहीं हुआ. यहाँ पे देखिए y क्या है, स्क्वायर, एंड यहाँ पे क्या है, y की पावर 1. सो दे आर नॉट सेम, दे आर नॉट लाइक. सो like only like terms will add, and you can subtract and add the like terms. Okay, now next part is finding the value of an expression. For finding the value of an expression, I'm just taking some example. Supposing I take 7a square minus 4b. Okay, so value is given, a is -1 and b is given 2. Okay, I have taken these two values. What we will do, देखिए इधर, अब क्या करेंगे हम, a 7a square minus 4b. Put a is equal to -1 here. देखिए -1 square. Okay, -4. What is b here? 2. Means a की जगह पे -1 डाल दिया, b की जगह पे 2 डाल दिया. Now see, -1 square. Exponent in past chapter you have done. What is the meaning of this? -1 की even पावर है, 2 is even. जब हम इसको -1 into -1 करेंगे, it becomes +1. Okay, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू नो. सो ये क्या बन जाएगा हमारा, +1. +1 में साइन लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. 4 into 8 is 8. So 7 minus 8. Okay, so what you will write now, it is -1. Okay, 8 minus 7 is 1 and sign of greater number. Okay, this is finding the value of an expression. This is all about for this video. Thanks for watching. If you please like, share and subscribe my channel. If you are having any doubt, you just write in the comment section. Thanks for watching once again.